from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Anybody else got the Baby Shark theme song stuck in your head now? Now you do. Sorry. Hey, last little gasp of showers about to make its way through the valley now. Behind it, drier and cooler air is already settling in. Look at the 40 in Crossville, but still 50 in Knoxville, 52 in Dandridge. Wind's still up a little bit, and as this little batch of rain moves through, we're going to see the wind pick up behind it as well. Nothing like what we saw earlier today, but enough to basically move a few things around, like a flagpole, some tree branches, things like that. And that's why basically the wind advisory is still in place. This is a live look, Gatlinburg Sky Park Tower Cam. You can see it bouncing a little bit earlier today. Looked like it was on a pogo stick or a trampoline. It was bouncing so much. So that line of showers, again, working its way through Anderson County. Behind it, we're seeing some 30-mile-per-hour gusts. Ahead of it, higher elevation, still seeing some 30-mile-per-hour gusts. But again, nothing like what we had earlier today, but enough. Go ahead and keep that wind advisory up through early tomorrow morning. In fact, through 7 a.m. Basically, just means 25 to 35 mile per hour sustained winds, and maybe at times higher than that. 55 would be the exception rather than the rule. I'd say 40, 45 gusts on the higher side. I'd say that'd be about it for the rest of the night. It's also getting colder, down to 21 by early tomorrow morning in Jamestown and Crossville, 24 in Wartburg, 29 Knoxville, Maryville, Tellico Plains, and Gatlinburg at 28. So is Morristown and Newport. Highs tomorrow staying on that cooler side. After some morning clouds, we'll see some afternoon sun. That'll be nice, upper 30s to low 40s, but enough of a wind, still in that 10 to 20 range, that wind chill value is going to be in the 30s much of the day for our Saturday. Sunday morning, it is cold. This is not the Arctic air, but we're down into the teens across the plateau, low 20s, Virginia and Kentucky, mid to upper 20s here in the valley. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, not a huge warm-up. I'm not even sure many will get above freezing back to the west. So this kind of setting the stage. That colder air is already in place as we're going into our Monday. That's when the moisture starts to develop. So 11 o'clock Sunday night, we're still dry. Overnight Sunday into Monday, we'll start to see a little bit of that snow develop. We're going to be weather aware for Monday and Tuesday due to the snow possibilities and also the cold air that's going to be settling in through at least the middle of next week. We'll go from 7 a.m. through midday, kind of light snow. There's not a ton of moisture with this, but when you have Arctic air coming in, you don't need a lot of moisture. You get that fluffy type snow. So instead of the heavy wet, we're not going to see that. It's the fluffy type snow opportunity. So this is 4 p.m., maybe a little bit of a break into the evening, and then I think it ramps back up again as we go Monday night into early Tuesday. I really don't think we'll see much of a mix. I don't think this low is going to be this close to us, maybe a little further south. So mainly just a snow event that tapers off as we go into the afternoon hours on our Tuesday across the area. So very confident still, we have been for the past couple of weeks, that we're going to be seeing Arctic air move into the region. A couple things that have increased our confidence that we're going to be seeing some snow accumulations. Also that we will have some travel impacts. We're seeing that confidence grow as well as we get a little closer to this event. And still looking at possibility of an inch or more of snow from Monday through Tuesday, high category for about 2/3 of the area. We're a little less confident areas to the south, most confident across the plateau into the Smokies and even here into the Central Valley as well. So yes, there will probably be some snow accumulations and most likely some travel impacts from this system. And it's going to get cold as we clear out. If we've got a couple of inches of snow in some spots and we have a few breaks in the clouds Tuesday night, we're talking lows right around 9 here in the valley, but outlying areas will be in the single digits or maybe even below 0 in spots.
Time to book that.